So I received my thank you cards from Dimples on Demand. Thank you, thank you, thank you. She reached out to me on Instagram and everything to tell me I received them. I was like, oh, thank you. I love the fact that I have a relationship based solely on social media, which is so crazy to me. But you really do meet amazing people, and I love her videos, so you guys should check her out. I definitely love this sticker right here. And then she said she put some extra goodies in here for me. And this is Mother's Day weekend at the time of me filming this video. So there should be a lot of orders on ship on Instacart, generally speaking. But, you know, we're not in COVID times no more. So I just wanted to come and show it to you guys, what they look like. And I hope to, man, just get some extra tips. I can use the extra money. Y'all see the debt I have. Which I know I promised I need to update that video. Oh, this is so cute. She has it in the pink and the yellow. Oh, I don't remember how much I bought. Like, I don't know if this is a, maybe this is the 50, maybe. And these are so cute as well. Yeah, guys, I'll you guys a video on my debt and everything, how I'm gonna pay it down, because I'm supposed to be planning another trip internationally, and that is a whole process. I do like the packaging on this. Ooh, in a little small scents. So when you guys get a chance, please go ahead and check her website out for all her scents. These are so cute. Like, these are the kind of travel size things that I would bring along with me, in addition to, you know, that perfume spray thing I have that I just pump into it. I need to do a video also of like my main essentials that I've gotten from Amazon. High quality fragrances. Ooh, yeah, guys, so there's a website. I'll make sure to link it below. And these are like body oils. You have to be like, ooh, and it has like the little rolling tip. Oh, I love those. Let me try it on. It is so good. So good. So I'm gonna make sure I give you guys a review on these thank you cards to see where my score goes, because I have not been caring at all about my rating with Instacart and ship. So I'll update you guys on how this works out. And basically, this is just a thank you card for when you drop off the groceries, or even if you're doing Uber Eats, you can slip this into their meal bags. You never know. But this, I'm definitely gonna treasure these. So thank you so much, Dimples. I'm just going to write my name on a few of these and take them in with me in my car. And then, like I said, I'll update you guys, okay? But just want to bring them to you to see what they look like, the quality of them, and promote as much as possible. Yeah, these definitely feel like quality flyers. So I was doing something like a bootleg version to this. Again, I'm not the greatest with editing, so I will try to insert those things, but if I can get my rating to you guys, put it somewhere on the screen, I will do that so you can see where I'm currently at as of, what's today, May 6th? May 6th, May 7th. And let's see what happens after the weekend with me including these cards, because I notice when I go out of my neighborhood, people don't report things missing as much. When I'm here in the Bronx, it's an issue. Or I should be like, okay, like the Bronx, Parkchester, Riverdale area is not really an issue. But like other parts of the Bronx, I don't know what it is. I really can't believe that Instacart and Ship is like allowing these people to say that items are missing so they can get their money back. I can't believe that. I know I've seen it on YouTube and people complain about that and people getting deactivated, but for me, I don't necessarily need the apps. It's just, it's extra money that I knew I can actually make some coins from. So, I'm moving, you guys. So yeah, guys, I'll let you guys know how these go. Like I said, yellow and pink and orange. It's just so cute. So thank you, Dimples. I appreciate it. I will give you guys a review, especially on these as well, because these smell amazing already. I might just use this one just so I can have it. All right, see you guys.